Here's a great little tip for you using 3 fingers on your Chromebook trackpad on this website, and I want to read this blog post here, and there's a link and it says continue to read. I could click on that and it would open itself in the same tab. But I might want to come back to this particular page, not get lost. If you end up going down a rabbit hole, you might want to see the path that you've been down. Now, obviously, you can swipe backwards with a 2-finger swipe if you wanted to do that. But if you put your mouse over the link that you've got and use a 3-finger tap, it will open a new tab for you. Watch. And so that whole blog post is now opening, and I can click on the tab, or I could have swiped between my tabs, of course, with my gesture from the last tutorial. And here we go. I can now use my 2-finger tab to gesture to actually read down through this page. So a good little trick for you to keep a breadcrumb path of open tabs that you can follow from your links that you might follow from page to page to page. 3-finger tap on the link opens a new tab.